Hello, my name is Jeff and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Visit our website at selectmotors.com. This is a 2010 Rover LR4. It's a V8 5-liter engine, all-wheel drive. It's a black metallic with black interior. This is the luxury edition. Has many nicer appointments on the inside. Has the premium Xenon headlights and with automatic high beam. Brand new front brakes, pads and rotors, and lower control arm bushings. The body's in nice condition. There's no dings. Recently new tires. Has a backup camera as well as parking sensors. There you can see the tow hitch. This has the keyless entry and keyless ignition. You just push the button and it locks, and when you grab the handle it automatically unlocks. Has power front seats. All the seats are heated. Real nice luxurious trim on the inside. It's a leather dashboard. Power moonroof. The seats are partially folded down right now. The rear entertainment, and then you have two glass panels in the back with shades and rear air conditioning. Here's a look at the rear seats, the third row. Here's a look at the dashboard. The 2010 was completely updated over the LR3 premium sound system. And to start it, just push the button in. There we go. Navigation, Bluetooth, automatic climate control. Here's the controls for the suspension and some of the off-road settings.